Now it's finally recording. Jeepers. I wasn't recording the whole time. I did like 2 flights, 3 flights. Didn't record any of it. I was taking pictures. For some reason it was taking pictures. I'm going to try to finish this off. This battery pack. I'm out there on the ground. So in the wind, oh jeepers. Okay, looks like I'm recording. Let's try this again. I'll take it up and just go over there a little bit. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I think I'm going to have to practice working on my altitude. Sometimes it needs just a ton of just full throttle. And it could be because of wind. Or I don't know. If I start getting down in my own downdraft a little bit. So I can't imagine it'll be, I can imagine it'll be easier. With a, I might lose signal over here. Oh, and here comes some wind. I'm fighting it though. Ooh, big wind. Big wind. Really fighting it. Wow. You can see the angle I'm at, just standing still. Got this camera on just about straight. Well, this is fun anyways. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me go over here in case I crash, or have to land. Oh yeah, I'm really fighting this wind. Whoa. Wow. Full power, full power. Full power. Okay, see now I'm just getting blown with the wind here. If I just let the wind take me, I'll just, and it's really pretty windy right now. Well, get away from the big expensive truck. I'm starting to get a little bit more comfortable with it, but man, controlling altitude is tough. I think that'll be easier with a a more powerful brushless quad, like a 250 racer type quad. I can't imagine it'll have this much problem just maintaining altitude. Look, these guys are, yeah, there's a lot of wind. I'm going to come back if I can make it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.